Hello, we are live in Ibadan. Yeah, any Ibadan people out there, shout out to you guys. Your city is beautiful. I'm trying to use Google Map to navigate to where I'm going,
In 200 meters, turn left.
I'll be there soon. I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing. We are going to be transforming a school. It's not a new school; it's an existing school, and it's one of the powerful schools over here in Ibadan. And I'm very sure that you need to watch this video to the end because I have a lot of tips for you on how to actually transform your school with just little. And I'm going to be recommending a lot of my products also to you. And if you don't know about my products, kindly please visit ebencourt.com. When you visit ebencourt.com, you see a lot of my products, and I'm sure it will be of help to you. Welcome. My name is Odetola Ebenezer Israel. Show them. Well, let them see Ibadan that we are there. You know.